Hello everyone, I'm Daniel. Today I want to share one of our hot ceiling folding bracket for you. Why I call it our hot ceiling folding bracket? Because it's folding fancy. Look at this bar, integrity buckle to fit to certify folding. Look at this product has material very good. We have many material for your choice. The first is stainless steel SS201. The second is stainless steel SS304. The third, some country may choose most is iron one. The one I want to share is stainless steel 201. High quality, corrosion resistance, very good quality material. Look at the surface. This one is white one. We have three colors. One is white, another is black. The third is material. It's a original color. That's what we call the brush surface. People purchase this product may care most is about its length, its size, and the loading bearing. The size we have multiple choice size from 8 inch to 20 inch. Different inch have different loading bearing. Loading bearing from 40 kg to 160 kg. Okay, I'll show the working performance to you. Weighted buckle. We have three types. This one is K-type folding bracket. This one is soft closing one. If you want to open it, you need to press the two buckle. The second one is F-type. If you want to make a difference in the many types, you can check the buckle and this type. You will know the difference. I can also leave you our catalog in the last. This one is non-soft closing one. We sell most in non-soft closing one. Also, when you open it, you need to press these two buckles. This one is our H-type folding bracket. This one a little different from the 402 one. You need to up the table, then press the buckle. One step folding. Leave more space for you. Okay, so the formal 3 one is fixed one. If you also have any interest in, we have a full catalog for many types and many choice for you. You can leave your message. We'll send it to you in the last. This one is our special one. This one is used in microwave oven. High quality. Very durability. Okay. In interest, I can send our catalog in the last. You can also leave a message to us. See you.